In today's economy, information is power. We're rapidly shifting to a world where a company's intellectual capital is more valuable than its hard assets. In fact, experts estimate that intellectual property assets represent 40% of the value of American companies. The most successful companies long ago discovered that intellectual property assets are the way of the future and have learned to harness these assets. As a result, among the most successful companies, intellectual property assets represent 80% of the company's valuation. If you're like most entrepreneurs working at a startup or small venture, you don't spend much time focusing on your company's intellectual property. You go about your days building your business, perfecting your product or service, and executing your business plan. You probably have some sense that your business has valuable intellectual property assets, but you haven't taken the time to create a plan for how to handle these assets. If this describes you, the Entrepreneur's IP Planning Playbook, a strategy guide to help solopreneurs, startup founders, and entrepreneurs harness their intellectual capital, is for you. The Playbook, written by intellectual property attorney Robert Klink, walks entrepreneurs through the process of creating an intellectual property plan from beginning to end. You'll learn how to harness your assets and how to minimize the risk of being sued by others. Stop ignoring your largest class of assets. Get your copy of the Playbook today to learn what you need to know about creating a plan for these critical assets.